Humans have created giant machines to serve the increasingly complex needs of modern society. From massive construction works to cutting-edge scientific equipment, these machines demonstrate the outstanding technical level and unlimited creativity of mankind. They not only play an important role in areas such as transportation, resource exploitation, or space research, but also become symbols of the ability to conquer nature. That is why today we will discuss 15 biggest machines to bring an impressive look at the greatest mechanical achievements ever created by humans. Number 1 is the Panzer VIII Maus, the largest armored battle tank ever built in military history. Developed by Nazi Germany during World War II, the Maus was a colossal 10-meter-long, 188-ton behemoth, equipped with extremely thick armor and a large-caliber main gun. Designed to be an impenetrable super tank, the Maus could travel on any terrain. But due to its heavy weight, it could not cross bridges and had to wade across rivers using a specialized snorkel. Despite its superior firepower and defense capabilities, the Maus was never put into actual combat, as it was captured by the Soviet Red Army before it was completed, and only one complete prototype was ever built. This is a testament to Germany's extreme technical ambition during the war. Number 2 is FAST, 500-meter aperture spherical telescope, the world's largest radio telescope, located in Guizhou Province, China. With a diameter of up to 500 meters, FAST was built in a natural valley to take advantage of the terrain, helping to minimize costs and environmental impact. The telescope's reflective surface structure includes thousands of adjustable aluminum plates, allowing it to focus radio waves from deep space to a single point, where a signal receiver is suspended above. This telescope is capable of observing wavelengths from 70 MHz to 3 GHz, helping scientists study cosmic phenomena such as pulsars, gravitational waves, and emissions from distant galaxies. Since officially going into operation in 2020, FAST has discovered dozens of new pulsars and become the world's leading important astronomical research instrument. Number 3 is the Large Hadron Collider, the largest and most powerful particle accelerator ever built, located on the border between Switzerland and France, operated by the European Organization for Nuclear Research, CERN. With a circumference of up to 27 kilometers, the LHC is designed to accelerate protons to nearly the speed of light and then collide them together to recreate the conditions immediately after the Big Bang. The system includes thousands of superconducting magnets operating at temperatures close to absolute zero, minus 271 degrees Celsius, to control and guide the particle beam. One of the most notable achievements of the LHC was the confirmation of the existence of the Higgs boson in 2012, a key discovery that helps explain why particles have mass. In addition, the LHC has helped research dark matter, dark energy, and the fundamental forces in the universe, opening new doors for modern physics. Number 4 is La Princesse, one of the largest mechanical entertainment machines ever built. A giant robotic spider designed by French art company La Machine. Unveiled in 2008 in Liverpool, England, as part of special cultural events, La Princesse weighs 37 tons, is nearly 15 meters high, and has up to 50 different axes of motion. Operated by a team of more than 250 people along with cranes, forklifts, and support equipment, the spider can move through the streets at a speed of about 3 kilometers per hour, even climbing up buildings. In addition to its ability to move, it is also equipped with special effects such as smoke, fire, water, snow, and lights to enhance the performance. La Princesse is not only a technical feat, but also a symbol of the unique combination of performance art and modern mechanical technology. Number 5 is the Komatsu D575A, the largest crawler dozer ever mass-produced, renowned for its sheer size and power. Its super dozer version had a whopping 1,150 horsepower and could move more than 125 cubic meters of earth and rock in a single push, making it the go-to choice for open-pit mines in the US, Canada, and Australia. At nearly 40 feet long, over 15 feet tall, and weighing more than 250 pounds, the machine couldn't move to the job site on its own and had to be disassembled and transported by multiple trucks. Although it was discontinued in 2012, the Komatsu D575A remains an icon of the heavy machinery industry, capable of performing admirably in the harshest conditions. Number 6 is Bertha, the world's largest tunnel boring machine ever built, designed specifically to dig the SR-99 tunnel through downtown Seattle, USA. Measuring 320 feet, 99 meters long, and with a bore diameter of 55 feet, 17.5 meters, Bertha weighs around 6,700 tons and was built in Japan before being shipped to the US for assembly. It began operating in 2013 and completed the 2-mile, 3.2-kilometer tunnel in 2017, despite numerous technical difficulties. After completing its mission, Bertha was disassembled, and some of its parts are now on display at the local transportation museum as a symbol of modern engineering. Number 7 is Tredino, the world's largest dragon robot, specially designed to perform at the traditional Drachenstich festival in the town of Fürth im Wald, Germany, where the story of Saint George and the dragon originated. George slaying the dragon has been told since the 16th century. With a length of about 15.5 meters, a wingspan of 12 meters, and a weight of up to 11 tons, Tredino is a technical masterpiece that can move independently thanks to a remote control system using more than 1,000 meters of hydraulic pipes and 4,000 meters of electric wires to operate the complex movements of the head, wings, and tail. In particular, this robot is also capable of breathing fire and simulating effects such as fake blood, creating a vivid and spectacular performance like a real dragon breathing fire. Tredino is not only a symbol of the perfect combination of modern technology and performing arts, but also plays an important role in maintaining and promoting the unique cultural traditions of the locality. Number 8 is Prelude FLNG, the world's largest floating liquefied natural gas plant, developed by Shell, measuring 488 meters long, 74 meters wide, and weighing over 600,000 tons when fully loaded. Located approximately 200 kilometers off the northwest coast of Australia, on the Prelude and Concerto fields, the facility is capable of producing millions of tons of LNG, condensate, and LPG per year. Specially designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, including Category 5 hurricanes, Prelude FLNG is anchored by 16 steel piles and can rotate 360 degrees around its mooring axis. This is not only an engineering marvel, but also opens up the way for efficient and sustainable exploitation of natural resources in offshore areas. Number 9 is BelAZ 75710, the world's largest heavy-duty truck, manufactured by the Belarusian company BelAZ, which stands out for its ability to transport up to 500 tons of materials and its own weight of 500 tons. With a length of more than 20 meters, a width of about 10 meters, and a height of nearly 8 meters, this vehicle has a massive and extremely impressive size. To move that huge mass, BelAZ 75710 is equipped with a Siemens MMT 500 transmission system and two 16-cylinder MTU diesel engines, each with a capacity of up to 2,300 horsepower, helping the vehicle reach a maximum speed of 64 kilometers per hour even when climbing a 10% slope. With its outstanding performance and enormous size, Belaz's 75710 is an indispensable tool in large mining and construction projects, contributing to optimizing the transportation of heavy materials quickly and efficiently. Number 10 is the Antonov An-225 Mraya, the world's largest transport aircraft, designed and built in 1985 in the Soviet Union to carry the Buran space shuttle. With a length of 84 meters, a wingspan of 88.4 meters, and a height of 18.1 meters, this aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of nearly 640 tons. The An-225 is equipped with 6 powerful jet engines, allowing it to lift a payload of up to 250 tons and fly at speeds of up to 850 kilometers per hour. Although only one aircraft was produced, the An-225 is still widely used in the transport of super-heavy cargo around the world, from wind turbine blades to emergency relief equipment, becoming a symbol of mankind's leading technical strength and transport capabilities. Number 11 is the International Space Station, one of the greatest engineering feats ever created by man. First launched into orbit in 1998. With a flexible, modular design, the ISS is currently about 73 meters long and nearly 109 meters wide, making it the largest space station ever built and operating in space. Developed jointly by many countries around the world, the ISS plays an important role in scientific research on microgravity, Earth observation, and deep space exploration. In addition, the ISS also holds the record for being the fastest vehicle on which humans have ever lived, orbiting the Earth at a speed of more than 27,000 kilometers per hour, completing a rotation in just about 90 minutes. Number 12 is the Schwerer Gustav, the largest gun ever built and the heaviest mobile weapon ever used in warfare. Developed by Nazi Germany during World War II. Weighing 1,490 tons, the gun was 47 meters long and capable of firing shells weighing up to 7.1 tons, with a maximum range of about 47 kilometers. To operate, the Schwerer Gustav required a crew of more than 250 men and took 3 days to fully deploy. Despite its devastating power, the gun was only used in a few key battles, such as the Battle of Sevastopol, before being destroyed to prevent it from falling into enemy hands. The Schwerer Gustav remains a symbol of extreme military technology and extraordinary ambition during the war. Number 13 is the F-60 conveyor bridge, one of the world's largest and most impressive coal mining equipment, used in the Lusatia coal mines of Germany. Measuring 1,647 meters long, 79 meters wide, and about 30 meters high, the F-60 is so huge that it dwarfs many skyscrapers, earning it the nickname, the ship on land. The machine is capable of moving and handling about 30,000 tons of earth and rock per hour through an integrated conveyor system and excavator, helping to remove the topsoil from coal mines efficiently and continuously. This is not only an engineering marvel in scale, but also demonstrates the power of modern technology in the mining industry, making an important contribution to ensuring energy sources for many countries. Number 14 is the Typhoon Crane, the world's largest crane, built at the Untai Raffle shipyard in Yongtai, China, to lift heavy components of super-large ships and support the construction of giant oil tankers. With a lifting capacity of up to 20,000 tons, the Typhoon Crane has set records for 3 of the heaviest lifts ever recorded. The crane is an impressive 120 meters wide and 133 meters high, with a lifting height of up to 80 meters, helping to handle complex and highly precise tasks in the shipbuilding industry. Thanks to its outstanding strength and size, the Typhoon Crane has become a symbol of advanced engineering technology and the ability to meet the most stringent requirements in the heavy industry. Finally, the Seawise Giant, also known as the Yara Viking, Knock Nevis, and Mont, is the largest ship ever built. Measuring 458.45 meters in length and displacing over 564,000 tons. Built in Japan in 1979, the ship can carry over 4 million barrels of crude oil, equivalent to the daily consumption of several major countries. However, its enormous size also causes many difficulties in moving, making it impossible for the ship to pass through canals such as the Suez or Panama. During its career, the Seawise Giant was attacked and sunk during the Iran-Iraq War in 1988, but was later raised, repaired, and continued to operate until 2009 before being scrapped in India in 2010. Although no longer in service, the Seawise Giant remains a symbol of human industrial might and the ability to build giant ships.